Alright, so now we do worksheet 2 very quickly. Worksheet 2, we have questions on the gas laws and heat. Now, for the gas law questions, we'll be using the ideal gas equation, which is P1V1 divided by T1 is equal to P2V2 divided by T2. We'll be using that every time, and for the heat questions, we'll be using the formula delta Q, change in heat, or the heat transfer, is equal to mass of the whatever is being heated multiplied by the specific heat capacity whatever is being heated multiplied by the change in temperature. Change in temperature you will see being represented as delta T, or in some books delta theta. Now remember that M is for mass and C is for specific heat capacity. If they give you the heat capacity, that they're already taking into consideration the mass multiplied by the specific heat capacity. So then you just do delta Q is equal to the heat capacity multiplied by the change in temperature, and that is about it. So worksheet 2. Good. So this is how you lay out your question. You put your unit, it was given with the units there. Convert degrees C to Kelvin every time for gas. Once you're dealing with any gas, convert degrees C to Kelvin, and you lay out the question. Use the ideal gas equation and find the unknown. Now this question is still incorrect. The reason why is the question mapped these three values together. The gas had 12 meter cube volume, 760 millimeter mercury of pressure, and 27 degrees Celsius temperature. So these three were to go together. The person who did this did they put these two together, V2 P2, but then put T1. This should have been T2 also. These three were the simultaneous characteristics of the gas at one time, and the other form is this, and the unknown. So this should have been T1 here. Now because of this simple mix-up, you end up getting 240 Kelvin when you should have gotten 375. Alright, this question, everything was done perfectly. Alright, so you can feel free to pause this video and copy the question, or see where you went wrong for those who did not get it correctly. Number 3, the exact thing. So this is good. Alright, please do your work as neat as this when you're in a test, please. Alright, heat, where we're always using the formula delta Q is equal to MCAT CAT, where the A is for delta. Alright, so you didn't state the original formula first, but you still got around to doing it. The answer is still correct. This is still okay. For those who want to copy, this is how you do it. Same thing goes for here. I do find it strange that you use delta theta one time and you use delta T the next time, as if two different people answer these questions. People don't usually switch. Alright, so with these questions, you always, as using the formula to get an answer, you always use the standard SI units. If something is in grams, you change it to kg. You change all energy to joules, and mass to kg. So that was the question was correct, and this question is also totally correct. You didn't have to change degrees C to degrees Kelvin because there was a change in temperature. And a change in 1 degrees Celsius is equal to a change of 1 degree Kelvin. After that, you have the questions based on the worksheet, and that's it. Well, that's it for worksheet 2. I wish you guys all the best for Wednesday's test. See you then. Bye bye.